Empathy. It's what helps us connect, understand, and support one another. But have you ever wondered where empathy comes from? How do our brains actually process the emotions of others? Meet Kathryn Irish, a researcher and doctoral student here at MSU School of Social Work. She is on a mission to answer these questions.
Empathy is a very complex idea. It's been around for a long time and people define it in many different ways. And I think the biggest misconception is that it can't do anything, like that it's powerless.
Using cutting-edge neuroscience, she's exploring the neural basis of empathy, and what she's finding could help reshape how we approach human connection. At the heart of Kathryn's research is a technique called transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS. TMS is a non-invasive way to stimulate specific brain areas, helping researchers understand how different regions contribute to our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions.
So TMS is a direct brain intervention method. So it's actually really cool because it can change cellular activity in the brain in a very precise way for a temporary period of time.
In this study, Kathryn focuses on a region called the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, a key part of the brain involved in decision-making, emotional regulation, and social reasoning.
With how we're using it, we're just changing a certain area of the brain for just a very temporary period of time to help people, just to see what the relationship is between that part of the brain's functioning and these other social behavioral kinds of things. So we are stimulating the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, which is right about here. And we're using a low-frequency stimulation, which will reduce activity in this area. So basically what we're doing is we're trying to increase activity in the DLPFC by stimulating the right DLPFC. My goal with this study is to look at how it can help improve not just people with clinical deficits or issues with relationships or interpersonal interactions, but just for everyday diplomacy or everyday interpersonal interactions. It has more of a positive angle, looking at how we can make things a little bit better.
Empathy isn't a feeling, it's a process. And with science leading the way, we might just find new ways to strengthen our shared humanity.